Volume. This is the second and last measure that we'll be talking about regarding three-dimensional shapes. Here's your checklist, and that is to calculate the volume of the following. We have a cube, a cuboid, and a cylinder. Alright, let's begin the lesson. Now the volume is the amount of space occupied by a 3D object. So if you were to put a box in a room, the volume would be the amount of space that the box takes up in that room. Another way you could think about the volume is that it is the amount of liquid that you would require to fill the object completely. So here we have a cube, and we want to fill in the inside of the cube with yellow blocks until the entire thing is completely full. One way we could do this is that we could split the cube into smaller cubes of 1 centimeter size. You might not be able to count them this time, but it would take 27 of these blocks to fill in this big cube. How, you ask? Well, it would take 9 blocks to fill the front, 9 blocks to fill the middle, and 9 blocks to fill the back. Let's see some examples of how we actually calculate volume using formulae. So first we have the volume of a cube, and it is the same cube that we had from before, but to find the volume this time, we will be using the formula of length by width by height. So this is 3 by 3 by 3, and we get the same answer of 27 centimeters cubed. Next we move on to the cuboid. The volume is once again length by width by height. So we have 7 by 3 by 4, and this gives us 84 centimeters cubed. And just like that, we've made it to the cylinder. Now the volume of this shape is given by the area of its base times the height. If you were to go back to the earlier examples, you'd notice that we've actually been using this formula the entire time. When we did the volume of a cube, we took its square base and multiplied that by the height. When we did the volume of a cuboid, we took its rectangular base and multiplied that by the height as well. Now we are going to take the circular base of the cylinder and multiply it by the height to get our answer. So we have pi r squared times height, and this equals to 3.14 times 2 squared times 7, which is 87.92 centimeters cubed. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe here if you want to get the latest from the Caribbean Scholar YouTube channel, or if you're ready, you can use the link in the description to hop onto our website and sign up for one of our premium courses.